Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your mouse pointer keeps flickering on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So it should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel, so go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you want to select mouse. So go ahead and left click on that. And you want to select the pointer option and select where it says use default. And you just scroll through here. Make sure everything as you see it on my screen. I'm going to kind of walk you guys through it a little bit slower here. So as you see on the first tab, the buttons page, make sure everything as you see it is the same on your computer. So you see everything is basically right in the middle for the speed, and you'll see that on the other tabs as well if you noticed that while I was going through them. But again, keep both of these unchecked, the button configuration and click lock. Double click speed, I keep that right about in the middle. The pointers tab, I click the use default button, recommend doing that, for all you guys as well. Select the pointer options, again, select the pointer speed right in the middle, enhance pointer precision, keep that check marked, and then hide pointer while typing, I keep that check marked, and then everything else is unchecked. The wheel tab, I keep both of these at 3, and then the hardware tab, you don't have to do anything here. Then you would select apply and OK. And then see if that has resolved the problem. Something else we can try here as well. Well, a couple things. If you close out of here and open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now I want you guys to type in SFC followed by a space / scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. So now hopefully that should have resolved the problem. If you're still experiencing an issue, we can run a mouse troubleshooter through the hardware and device troubleshooting utility. So open up the search menu again, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. Now I will have the second command in the description of my video as well as the first one that I did earlier. So go ahead and copy this one. It starts with msdt.exe. So go ahead and copy that and then go up the top bar of the command prompt window here. Right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. So you can close out of the command prompt at this time. And it should say troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, hardware and devices. Click the advanced button and make sure where it says apply repairs automatically is checkmarked and then select the run button. And I recommend following along with any suggestions it makes here. Okay, so you can see the troubleshooting has completed. You can click on close. And then I would suggest restarting your computer as well. So restart it one more time. So there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.